Okay, guys, I'm here at the bazaar area. Not quite there yet, but since I'm here, I'm gonna have to buy me a new crossbody bag. Since my strap is broken, I guess I did have that bag for a little too long, about 6-7 years. So I guess it's time for me to get a new one, if I can find one. Okay, I already bought a bag. Hopefully this one will last me long, like my last one. Let's see. Let's walk around, see what else do they have. I'm here at the Green Bazaar, and it seems like there's a lot of remodeling is going on. But anyway, nonetheless, it's still open. But one of the shop worker or owner said that this place will close on every Monday. So just to let you know, guys, if you guys plan to come here, just to avoid Monday, I think that will be the best way. Wow. Over here, it kind of feels like coming into like Chohan Market in Vietnam, but less crowded. It's crazy. Let's walk around the first floor, see what they have. Seems like a lot of fruits here on the first floor. Man, fruits over here smell so good. Wow. This place is huge. Let's sneak it. Wow. A lot of different types of nuts here. It's crazy.
Hello.
Hello. It's kind of interesting. Strawberries are a bit expensive here. Little about $20. Little almost $30 for one box. It's quite expensive. $1,300. That's about to about $3 and some change. That's not bad. But some places are so expensive. Wow. I guess one of the best selling things, strawberry. Interesting. Hello. Huh? Fresh? But I don't know what juice is what. Orange? How much?
Orange 1,500.
1,500? Too much, too much. 1,500. That's about $3.50 for a small quart. Maybe about 300 milliliter. That's quite expensive. You see nothing but veggies and fruits over here on the first floor. I mean, there are some markets with like fish and stuff, but I don't know. I don't know what it is. I haven't seen the meats over here. That's kind of weird. Maybe it's on the second floor. Let's go up to the second floor and see what they got. Interesting. Second floor, mostly clothing. And while I'm looking at it, clothing for women. I'm in the wrong place. Hello. I think they are talking about me video shooting, but I do not understand one thing they are saying. Anyway, if you guys gonna visit Kazakhstan, I think it is the best if you will study some Russian before come over here. Seems like not too many people speak English, or very limited when they speak. Anyways, let's get back to shopping, but there's a gift shop. Lessons. Interesting. But I don't see any place to go and eat. That's interesting. Today is what? Fruit and veggie day or what? I didn't see much about meat. Very interesting. You don't see much of a meat here. Well, since I didn't see nothing but fruits and veggies. Yeah. Time for me to get out of here. It ain't for me. Maybe I should go up there, go to a restaurant, get something to eat. Well, I have tried a few different restaurants to eat, but it seems like they are just getting their shops open and food are not ready. So I guess I have no choice but to go back. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Till next time, bye.